Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you the faster way to do dreadlock on kids, best way to do dreadlock on kids. So we will need shine and jam, twist up, it's a spring twist, and we are going to use burner lock. That is going to be the dreadlock we'll be using, and I'm going to put all the stuff in the description below. So this is how to start. I want to show you how to pull the hair, so you'll be able to add the extension we'll be using to wrap around. So that is how you do. Your left hand hold it, your right hand on top, then you pull it. You're going to put your 2 finger in, and the hair that we'll be using, which is going to be the spring twist, you just add it, you grab it. I'll show you again. Open your fingers, you clip, just close it, open, close, then you hold the hair, hold the other one, just one side, and pull the rest out. I'm using the color one so you'll be able to see it very clear. I'm also going to show you with black. So the next one is I'm doing a jungle braid. This is a jungle braid, and you can do this with any hairstyle, but I just wanted to show you with different hairstyles. So this is a jungle braid. It can be a braid. You do the same thing, open, close, and you pull it. Hold one side with your left hand and you use your right hand to pull it off. I'm going to show you how to attach this to hair and make it to be dreadlock. So now I'm using my hand as an example. Assuming that is your hand, you just do it on the root if you're doing to adults, but if you're doing it on kids, I'll show you how you can give it space. All you do is wrap it, go around. That is really how to thread. You wrap it around. So if you're left-handed, it will be opposite side you'll be doing. Again, I'm not a left-handed, I'm a right-handed, but that is what you'll be doing. If you notice this is not going to be easy, I give you a space. If you're doing a child, please give them a space because their hair is more sensitive. If you notice, it's not that smooth because it's not what I'm used to. So if you're doing this for the first time, it's not going to be as neat as someone that have been doing it for a long time. But practice and practice do make perfect. And again, please remember, if you're doing this on a kid, to give it inch space so that it will not be too tight on their scalp and they will not have a headache. So I will show you with twist, the same concept. You just pull it a little bit, put your hand through, you grab the hair. I'm doing this because we are going to be doing the lock is going to be wrapping around to give her a natural look like it's real thread that she did. So the next one is, if you don't want to go through that, you can use a hook, which is called crochet needle. You need to open it and pass it through. You don't need to pull it because the crochet is thin enough to go through it. Then you use your left hand and hoop. You see, I'll show you. You see, I go right under it, use my hand, my finger, pull it close. See how I pull it? I'm going to show you. Then I will now close the hook. You can do it with your right hand or your left hand, whichever one that is convenient for you. So I loop it, then I now pull it through while my left hand pulls it in. And what I will do now is to get the hair out, just holding one side and the other side pull. So that is how to do it. Again, you can do that with any hairstyle. I want to also show you with dreadlock that we are doing the same concept. You pull it through. Once you pull it through, you now get the hair that you're going to use. Go all right under it. Once you go under it, you close the needle, then you pull through and you pull it all out. So that is how to do. I'm going to show you how to section the hair because we are doing a triangle shape. So you will need it to be odd number, which will be 3, 5, 7, and you keep going. So you need to put your hand very straight, and the next one you're cutting the line is slanted. See how I did it? I will do another one. I will put your hand straight from ear to ear, right there. Then you put your hand slanted, come to the line. Then you do another slanted to the line. Slanted, you come to the line. See the line right there? then another slanted, come to the line. If you are doing a boss, your hand will need to be straight, but if you're doing a triangle, it have to be slanted and it have to be an odd number. So the same concept, I just wanted to show you, then we continue. So so and then that one, the same thing, you just go in. That is how to do a triangle line. Please, have you subscribed yet? If you have not, smash that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. So the same concept, and that is how to do a triangle. You're going to see it because I will do it live on our model Princess T. So again, I'll put all the product used in the description below. So just like I showed you before, I'll go right here and I pull it. We are using a spring twist. That is what we are going to use it to wrap it around. So you see my hand is slanted and I section her hair. Please, now is kids hair, and this hair is the best way to do dreadlock on kids without them feeling pain and without them crying for headache. We want to be very sharp, very careful. Very careful, because their hair is more sensitive. So you see what I did? I just leave it right. I pull it, I make a little bit space. You want to do with space, I'll show you. See, I apply it right there and I use my whole finger to hold her natural hair and the hair that I'm doing, and I just use one, go a little round. I release my hand a little bit to give her scarf a little braid. I don't want, after braiding it, her scarf will be bumpy or it will not come a lump or a boy. You really don't want to do that, especially if you want to grow your hair. You want to give it space so that it can be, it won't pain, it really won't hurt. That is why I'm showing. So all you do is wrap it around this, and I pick it and I drop it on my thumb. Pick it, I drop it on my thumb. I'm going around the cycle to make it nice, as if it's a natural dreadlock, even though this is just extension. So this is the best way for you to do dreadlock on kids without it hurting. It's also the quick way to do dreadlock on kids. If you have been wondering how can I do dreadlock on kids, this is the best way for you to do it. It's the faster way to do it also. So I'm sectioning another part. As you see, you just go straight from ear to ear. That is what I'm doing. I section it all the way down and right there. Then you use a white tooth comb to comb her hair. Then we are going to start the sectioning. I'm just looking to see where I have my line, so I will go through. I say my hand is slanted, it's not straight. Again, I'm going to show you. The first one was 3. This one we are going to make it 5. So see how my hand is slanted. Then I section her hair. After I do that, then I will do opposite, and it also will be all slanted. I'll show you that too. Right here. See how slanted my hand is, not straight. You don't want it to be straight. You want it to be triangle. For you to get that nice triangle looking, that is how to keep your hand when you're sectioning it. I did have a video where I show you how to do braid, easy way to do it, and in that quick fast way to do hair, I didn't show you how to section your hair, and I said I was going to do this, and that's why I want to show you how to section your hair for you to get a neat clean hair. So this is a triangle that we are doing. I did the same, so I'm going to show you the same in the middle. You want to get like a straight line, then you now start putting your hands slanted and sectioning it. So let me know if you have any question. Is there any hairstyle that you would like me to do? Just comment in the comment section below. So if you want to know how to do loose dreadlock on kids, this is also how to do it. If you notice right now, you can see that her scalp is not too tight. again is case. I use the gel to go around the root to make it nice and sleek. Then I go around and start dreading it. I'm dreading her hair, dread, and all I do is just go around. That is how to dread Kate's hair. Yes, that is how. So if you're wondering quick way to do dreadlock, this is the quick way for you to do a dreadlock. You can see the star is, the triangle is already start forming. See, I did it. I would leave a little bit space so that it will not be too tight, so she'll be able to go to bed and sleep. So yeah, so the same thing, we're going to go round and round until we get to the end. Then you tie it. You want to make sure you tie it more than 2 times, because you want this hair to last. You want the dreadlock to last without it coming down, you see. So this is the last one. See, the same concept. Have you subscribed yet? If you have not subscribed, and smash the notification bell for more videos. I tie it, the same concept. You see how her hair came out. See, she can move it. Okay, right way to do dreadlock on kids. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Thanks.